Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Audacity on Linux. So first of all, we have to go into terminal. I will show you two options. The first option is just to use a simple command. The simple command that looks like this: sudo apt install Audacity. It's very simple. It works on Ubuntu and Debian. If you are using different versions, for example Fedora, on Fedora you have to use sudo dnf install Audacity. If you are using any different version, you have to find it on your own, or you can use the I think second option that I will show you in a second. So I will press enter for now, and I will type in my password. I will type in Y in order to continue and press enter. And right now we have to wait a bit. I think sometimes it might lag, but it also may be a connection problem, but it's not a connection problem, it is working, so we have to simply wait. We have our progression bar, so our installation has started. And right now, in a second, our installation will be finished, and we will be using our Audacity. And as you can see in our programs, we have the Audacity icon. And if we press on it, it should work. We will wait. And as you can see, we have the version Audacity 3.4.2, and this is the version that we have with our command. We can also use the official website, so we will go into official Audacity website. I will open the browser and I will type in Audacity for Linux. It's okay, we can leave it like that. And we have the first site, Audacity download for Linux. I can press on that. And we have AppImage for Ubuntu. And right now, what can we do with it? We can download that. So the second option works only for Ubuntu. So if someone is using the different version or distribution, you have to basically find the different command, or you can just watch for fun, I think. As you can see, our AppImage, downloading of our AppImage is completed, so now we can move to the download section, so I can move to that and I can leave that. As you can see, right there we have Audacity Linux AppImage, and right now we have to add permissions to execute for it. It's very important, because without it, it basically would not work. This works basically the same as a script. When we are creating a script in Linux, we have to add the permission to execute in order to run it. So the same, chmod +x, and the name of our file is Audacity, I think. Maybe I will check. It's Audacity Linux, so Audacity Linux. I can fill that without needing to rewrite everything. I can fill that by pressing tab on my keyboard, and right now I can press enter and my permission has been changed, and right now I can run it exactly like a script. So that / and the name of our AppImage. We have to wait a bit and our Audacity will work in a second. As you can see, it is working. We can close that. I think we have the newer version than the version that we installed before, but I'm not sure. We can check that. As you can see, our Audacity is working. And that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, and if you know how to install Audacity on Linux right now, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.